Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. We're here to show you the tailgate seals. We currently have plenty in stock, so get on the website and order away. But we've sold many and we need to provide you with instructions on how to do it, as I've been advised by my wonderful customers. So we've got the tailgate seals. They're a fully molded plastic, okay? They nice and easily mount onto the side, as so. You've got 1, 2, 3 fixing points. We also provide you with stainless steel self-drilling screws. I always stuff that up, self-drilling. Easily screw in the side. Remove the factory 8mm bolt, all right? That secures this top section onto there. Once you get the sides on, so you get that side on, you pretty much get your seal, right? You can see on here, we've got little 4.5mm these locate into, so you get a 4.5mm drill bit. That will allow you to clip this directly into the bottom of the tub, okay? So this here, you get, once you've put that on, pretty much get this the right way around. Come up to here, clip these in all the way along. From here all the way along, they clip in nice and easily. So now we're going to get the 8mm socket, impact drive, whatever tools you got at home, make do with it. Pull the factory bolt out, put that aside, get your molded side plastic, put that in, get the 8mm bolt, do that up. Easy. Anyone can do it. All right, so that's done. Now we're going to go into the next step, which is getting the provided self-drilling screws. Get this. Make sure you line it up. Now, you want it to be straight, so get it there. Line that up perfectly with the bottom here. So make sure that's lined up. Okay, looks nice and straight. Like so, very easy. And what I'd recommend doing is, if you want to take that one step extra, is probably pulling it back off. So you can see that, all done. Now, just for that extra step, what you can do is get a bit of, just for a little bit of extra rust protection, I guess. Spray that in, get that, touch that up. Right. That'll just, you know, a little bit of added protection. Make sure you get rid of the swarf. So clean this up so that it's not getting stuck underneath when you screw it all back in. Tailgate seal back on here. You can see that's nice and firm on there now. Now we're going to get this. We're going to clip it in. This one's going to be a bit difficult because we've already got the Savage Tech roller mounted on here, so it's very small gap in there. but we'll just clip this one in first. Let's clip that in all the way down. Very easy. Then once you get this on here, you're right to come along, get the other side done exactly the same way as we've done this on the other side. Then we're going to then you'll be able to line the seal at the bottom up, see where you want it to sit. So now we've put both the sides on, the left and the right, and we're going to show you how to drill the bottom plate onto the bottom seal onto the tub. So you pretty much line it up. Now if you look in the center here, we've got, this is the center, obviously. That's where the factory gland goes in. We use that for the tailgate lock as well. So that's the dead center. Now once you've got both sides clipped on, you pretty much will be able to come down here. Once they're all clipped in, the seal will just sit here. Once it's sitting here, there should be one pin dead center. So that's going to be our first marking point. Now we're going to line the seal up roughly 5 mil from the top here and 5 mil from the bottom. So we're going to go dead center of that. We're just going to put a dot here. So there you go, you've got one. That's your first 4.5 mil hole we're going to drill. So we're going to do that the whole way across, and once you've drilled all your 4.5 mil holes, we'll show you how to do the rest. So now we've got all the marked points where the tailgate seal on the bottom of the tub is going to clip into. We are actually going to get the 4.5 mil drill bit, and we're going to just drill in all the way along, easy as. So now we've finally got the seal in. We've clipped it all in after drilling it in. We've also sealed it, made sure it's not going to rust. Just like this, get a paintbrush. Yep, all good. And you get the clips, clip it all along. That goes in, very tight, 4.5 mil, all the way along. Beautiful, that's your seal done. 1, 2, let's test it. Get this, close it up. No more rattling, see that? Nice and tight. Now there will be a little bit of load on it because that seal is very tight. So the good thing about it is nothing will get in. However, it'll stop the tailgate from rattling, but when you need to open it, you just need to take the load off the lock and it'll open. You can adjust your locks on the side as well, just to allow for that seal that's pressing up against it. When you do mount the seal in, make sure that you leave between the plastic and here, make sure you leave like at least a 5, I mean you can go a little bit more, mil gap. That way the seal will sit back a bit and it won't push so hard on the actual tub. What's this called, Rico?
Tailgate.
Tailgate. It won't crush the tailgate. So, you know, it'll be firm enough and seal it all up. And yeah, I mean, we've been forward driving with it. Works really well. We've proven that. You've seen from our last video we posted. I think they're a great product, and anyone that wants to keep excess dust out of their vehicle in the back here, you know, you definitely want to get one of the seals. What happens is when you're driving along, the vacuum sucks up because you're driving along and the turbulence behind the car creates a vacuum. It pulls all the dust into here. That's how you get so much excess dust in here. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. head to our website, savagetech.com.au. Any questions, give us a call, message us online. Messages online are the best way to contact us, and or call us, no dramas at all. If you have any dramas with any of your products, we are always willing to help you. So just, you know, don't complain to people, literally complain to us. Let us know what the problem is and we will address it for you, and we will find a solution. That's what we're here to do. So that's a great thing about us being in Australia locally. Savagetech.com.au. Head there, and thank you so much for joining us, and like and subscribe, and sweet, next video might be something doing crazy again. I still want to get to Glasshouse, just haven't had a chance. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.